Hope, Idaho. Some say this is the most beautiful spot on earth. It definitely has some of the best views on Lake Pend Oreille. This is a place that I like to go to vacation. I've been to one of the resorts there, and it's just really one of the most picturesque spots in North Idaho. So if you're interested in this, then stay tuned and let's take a look, shall we? What's up, guys? It's Bryan Ingham with Ingham Realty. Welcome to another episode of Enjoy Living in North Idaho, where I talk about and show you all of North Idaho. So if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. Today we're looking at the picturesque town of Hope, Idaho, which is only about a 20-minute drive east of Sandpoint off of Highway 200, which has a beautiful drive along the road there overlooking the lake. It's a very scenic route from Sandpoint. Hope is located on Lake Pend Oreille, which is in a strategic spot where the lake opens up to the south. And so you have panoramic views of the south of the lake and West Lake, and really one of the best spots to see most of Lake Pend Oreille in one area. And it has a great view of the majestic Green Monarch Mountains. Even though today they're a little bit smoky, nonetheless very majestic. And you also have views of several islands on the lake, which is pretty nice. Hope is also only about an hour and 15-minute drive north of the Coeur d'Alene area. A little bit about the history of the town of Hope. It was founded in 1889, and the old Hope Hotel was built in 1897. This hotel was a place to hang out along the Northern Pacific Railroad. You had many prominent people stay there over the years, like J.P. Morgan, Teddy Roosevelt, Bing Crosby, and Gary Cooper. I've actually eaten at the restaurant there, which is delicious with majestic views. The population for Hope and East Hope is around 350 people, so not a lot of people here. And the name Hope came from Dr. Hope, who was a veterinarian with the railroad. So in this whole area of Hope, you have Hope, East Hope, and Beyond Hope, which is a resort area. Let's look at some of the amenities that Hope has to offer. There's not really much to the town. There's not like a big downtown area or anything like that. You have a couple stores, gas station, and some restaurants scattered about. That's about it. In addition to the restaurant I already showed you, you have a pizzeria there, and then you also have a floating restaurant in a marina at the Pend Oreille Shores Resort. Because this is one of the most beautiful spots on earth, you have a lot of resorts there. You have the Holiday Resort, the Pend Oreille Shores Resort, and the Beyond Hope Resort, to name a few. You also have some campgrounds there, and it has a lot of marinas because of all the boating that goes on there, because this is the biggest lake in all of Idaho. And on this peninsula that sticks out of the lake, where the Beyond Hope Resort is located, you also have the David Thompson Wildlife Preserve. He was an explorer and trader back in the day, and even built the first building in all of Idaho. So with all this beauty around there, some of the most popular activities are camping or hanging out at one of the resorts, and boating, of course, because of all the water, and then hiking because of all the mountains. Hope is kind of surrounded by mountains. It's not like a flat area. The road goes along the water, and it's just up against all these majestic mountains, and just so picturesque there. I'm going to talk about some of the homes in the area in a minute, but first, if you guys are thinking about moving to North Idaho or a beautiful spot like Hope, Idaho, please give me a call, send me a text or email. Would love to answer any questions you have about these areas. I've been helping people buy and sell real estate for over 20 years now, and I'd just love to guide you. Because of the topography, most of the homes here are view homes, all up this mountain, and just all these majestic views, just overlooking the lake to the south, to the west, to the east. It's just amazing views here, and you can see for miles if it wasn't so smoky. And taking advantage of the huge lake, you also have a lot of waterfront homes with nice yards and your own private beach and your own private dock to have your boat there ready to go anytime. It's just a terrific spot to have a place to live, or to have a vacation home, or whatever you want to do with it. You also have a lot of homes out on the peninsula, which also have great views and some waterfront homes there. And then they even have a lot of homes on an island, which you can only get to by boat. So if you want some privacy, there you go. Prices range in here from $295,000 up to $11.1 million, because you got some terrific homes taking advantage of this beautiful spot here. And the median price being $795,000. If you are considering living here full time, let me give you a couple other stats. So the weather, they get snow obviously in all of North Idaho, but you get a little more here. It's like 62 to 88 inches, depending on what website you're looking at. So they get a little more probably because of the lake there and the mountains and all of that. So be prepared for that. And then also healthcare, not much for healthcare there. So you're going to have to drive into Sandpoint, which is only about 20 minutes away, and you can go to Bonner General Hospital. So if you like big lakes and green trees and majestic mountains, this really is one of the most beautiful spots on earth. You should definitely come check it out sometime and visit, stay at one of the resorts. Or if you're looking to buy, give me a call. If you guys like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. That way you'll be notified of all my new videos when they come out. I'm putting out new videos every week showcasing the whole area of North Idaho. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.